We made it to Disneyland!
And we're just, first thing we're gonna do is meet some characters.
Yeah, we're in line to meet Chip and Dale. And then after, we're gonna find some fun Pixar food. But I think it's gonna be a great day.
Yeah,
it's good weather out.
Be nice and toasty.
Hi Chip, hi Dale! Over here. Hi! You're so sweet. We'll see you later.
Oh,
he's taking my
to the
ring off.
tree house.
Yeah.
And going to the,
I guess we're now dating.
well, no, that's mine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
she's mine. I know, right?
I like the way you guys are thinking.
Oh my goodness.
What? Thank you.
That's so sweet.
I love them.
Chip and Dale are seriously the best. And yes, here I actually drew this one. Oh, I did.
Open your hand.
Oh my goodness, this leaf. Thank you so much. This is the best.
Alright, say hello. We just met Chip and Dale, and Chip was so nice and gave me some flowers. What did he give
I
you?
got a leaf.
That's so funny.
Yep.
They were like cracking me up. They were like so funny. I love the character interactions because they're so funny, and it's like my favorite thing to do now.
It's really cool. We're gonna do more.
Yeah, I love it.
Hold Tony, he knows the way. Pluto.
Oh, I hurt your arm, that's right.
Pluto, you got hurt!
Oh no.
He hurt your arm? Oh no! Oh no, so strong!
What?
Check it out. The Cave of Wonder. Have user max passes.
Haunted Mansion.
Get one clear Buddy, our friend to the end. Lilac was awesome.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
What are we gonna get?
Now I will raise the safety. And the ghost will...
Princess Tiana. Oh my, Jakey.
Carrot cake churro with
That looks so good.
cream cheese with raisin frosting.
Give it a dip.
Oh my goodness.
Get some of that sauce on there. What do you think? I loved it.
Yeah, it's really good.
I want some more of it.
And that's
a good deal.
That's a good one. No strings.
No strings. How fun. Hey, Jake.
New Splash Mountain.
Yeah. Thunder Mountain.
Majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
What's your favorite part?
The primeval world.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going there.
We're now steaming forward.
We decided to do something that we don't normally do at
Normally go to
Disneyland.
ToonTown.
ToonTown! Who are we gonna go visit?
Well, we could go visit Mickey's house, but
Yeah?
we're probably gonna go do the
Roger Rabbit ride?
spin it around.
Yeah, we have
ride.
some fast passes for that, so that should be fun. crossing. We're gonna go to Mickey's house. Welcome. How cute does this look? A doggy door for Pluto. Oh, there's Walt and Mickey and Minnie. This is so cute, huh? Oh, I just noticed there's a Mickey on the door. How did I miss that? Mickey's radio. Oh, let's see what kind of books that Mickey likes to read. Here's where Mickey likes to work. Oh, if he has messages. Oh, let's see some of his notes. Oh, he has a memo from Minnie. Let's check out Mickey's schedule. Wow, he's an early mouse.
That's from Steamboat Willie.
It's from Steamboat Willie? Oh, that's so cute.
Well, we wanted to get you the toddler meal, but it was too little, so this is a kid's meal.
What is this? Strawberry explosion. Strawberry yogurt.
Wow.
Apple slices. Mac and cheese. And a milk. That's awesome. Cute little Mickey bag. What did you get?
I got a hot dog.
Nice.
And apples.
What are you gonna put on that hot dog?
Just ketchup and mustard, the huge.
The huge. Yum! Goofy water. Does it taste any different?
Yes.
Really?
No.
Check out how cute Minnie Mouse's mailbox is. Minnie, here we come. How cute is Minnie's house? Oh, Jake's just making himself at home over here. So we're at Minnie's house right now.
In the kitchen.
And her fridge is full of cheese.
But she does have some cookies on the table, and we're gonna eat some of those.
I was surprised though that her fridge is so full of cheese, but then I realized she's a mouse, so it makes sense. I get it. I mean, look at all that cheese. Cheese chip ice cream. Cheese, 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 cheese. I just spotted Minnie has a wishing well. Mickey ice cream in ToonTown. Where does Minnie want to go?
In my belly.
Time to eat, Minnie. She's melting! We just came into Goofy's shop. Check out this cute notebook we found. Show the inside though. The inside's what I thought was the cutest. If you notice, the lines are little Mickey heads. And you can put
Do
the...
it right side up or this way.
Either way.
So the best part is the dinosaur at the end.
I wish he came to life though. Like there was like a
movement. Like,
yeah. Or like his claw came out.
Trying to get you. That'd be awesome.
Oh, Jake. Jake. Jack. Come on.
Leave me alone.
I be with ye. I be with she. A pirate's life for me. Look at this cute pen we found. It's gonna go with the notebook I just got. I love it. We decided we had to get an all gold one too, because those are just cool. Little Winnie the Pooh.
That's so cute.
But what did we find here that we loved?
Well, this alien's really cute too.
Yeah, lots of cute stuff. But we got a couple pens
Got some pens.
and a little jewelry box. Check out this cute Winnie the Pooh. Ooh, look at C-3PO's red arm. It's so cool. Where are we going?
Tom Sawyer's Island.
When was the last time you were here?
With you a while ago.
Like 5 years ago?
Yeah, something like that. 5 years ago.
This looks fun. Look at the little babies. They're so cute. Hi, little babies. What? The skeleton holding on to treasure. That's so cool. Bye-bye. Okay, we're pumping out water and it comes out and then you get the gold. Go, Jake, go!
You gotta help.
Go, Jake, go!
You pump that side. I'll pump
The
this
gold's
side.
coming out!
The skeleton.
Woo! So cool! There's lots of skeletons down there. Okay, let's go! It's like we're crawling over barrels! Come on, Jake! Dead man's grotto. Beware. Let's do it.
So cool.
Yeah, I keep forgetting about my Mickey ears and bumping them on everything. I probably should take them off. I'm not used to this extra 4 inches of height.
We made it.
Cool! How fun!
Oh, we should go down to that one. What do you see?
People! Look, there's Splash Mountain coming out.
That would be really nice right about now.
Yeah, maybe we should go on that. These all the people that died in here? We found the gold. Hey, pirate.
Yeah, we found the treasure.
Ooh, but I hear a heartbeat. Uh-oh. Ooh, some treasure.
Heartbeat of Davy Jones.
Oh, it's the heartbeat of Davy Jones. Ooh. Uh-oh. We dropped Tuna and he got really dirty. One last cave.
It just says danger, keep out.
I'm like,
so it's like, can I sit in the front?
you got really wet. That's so great. My favorite is Jake was standing there and water droplets were coming off his head. I have to go check out this statue. I've never seen it before. That's so fun. Finding new things every day at Disneyland.
Yeah.
And you're still pretty wet.
Yeah, it'll take a while to dry.
Hi! I'm so excited for this ride because it's one of my favorites and I love playing Jello where you act like you're totally limp.
Yeah,
and
you
then
do ragdoll.
Yeah, like
Just go
ragdoll.
limp, ragdoll on it, and then you get thrown around.
I like the name Jello better though.
Jello mode.
Yeah. What's been a highlight of your day so far?
Probably getting drenched.
Yeah?
Yeah, getting wet on Splash Mountain.
I would have to say mine is finding a very magical golden Disney pen. I'm
That
really
was
excited
awesome.
about that.
Yeah.
'Cause I've been really good about writing in my gratitude journal every night. And so it's been really fun being able to write with a magical golden pen. So I'm envisioning it. It's happening.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Hi, I'm in How are you doing? Oh, do you like the sparkles? Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, are you guys gonna jump as well?
I guess so. All right. I guess let's jump.
Yeah!
Oh, what did Eeyore
A
find?
caterpillar.
What? You found a caterpillar.
There you go, all right.
Eeyore, that was so sweet of you. Hi, Pooh.
Oh my goodness.
Are you having a good day? Oh, good. Me too. It's been an awesome day. Oh, yeah. You can come in.
We're so excited for your movie coming out this summer.
Yeah, we are. We can't wait for the movie. It's going to be awesome. Thank you.
Oh, thanks.
See you later. We just met Pooh and Tigger and Eeyore, and it was so fun. And I have to say, if you're ever grumpy or in a bad mood, meeting the characters will put a smile on your face.
Yeah.
And I mean, at Disneyland, you shouldn't be grumpy or sad, but sometimes it happens. And not like I'm saying that happened earlier, because maybe I was a little grumpy, but seeing those characters made my day. I know, it was so fun. When Pooh gave me a big hug, I'm like, how can I not be happy? Yay!